Hey guys, so another great and easy airdrop opportunity. This is one of the biggest meme coin projects on Polkadot ecosystem, and it is quite legit because they are creating their own games. And for example, you'll see people that are following this project, Virtual Bacon, even on Tech, Lark Davis. These are some big influencers with hundreds of thousands of followers on YouTube and all over social media. And why I am bullish on this project. First of all, I am not sponsored, and this is not a financial advice, but they basically they have their own games. For example, let's see the DED games, play Deadmine. And before you start playing, you will have to connect your wallet, so you get probably some tokens, extra tokens for playing this game. I already minted my license, my NFT, and proceed to the game. And as you can see, I have earned all the 45 badges. It took me around 2 to 3 hours to collect them. And what you have to do is really easy. You basically just destroy these blocks, and as you can see, when I destroy the blocks, in some of these blocks you can see some particles, some parts that basically create this logo on the on the left. So basically when you collect all the particles, which is quite easy, you get a new badge. And another reason why I am bullish is because they will drop 1,000 DED tokens for every Polkadot coin you have in your wallet. And I would recommend you to install the Talisman Wallet, so it works with this DOT is dead meme coin and the game. So yeah, this is an easy airdrop opportunity. All you need to do is just have some Polkadot in your wallet, and they will drop you 1,000 DOT is dead tokens for every Polkadot coin you have in your wallet. And I think if you play this game and if you have all the badges collected, you will probably get a bigger airdrop allocation. So why not? This is a really easy and fun way to get your airdrop bigger. Just playing this game, it's really simple. Even grandmas can do it. So, and if you don't want to miss any new NFT and crypto alpha, I would suggest you to subscribe and press that notification bell, so every time I upload, you get that notification instantly. And I upload almost every day, so there are so many opportunities that I will be uploading and sharing about. So press that subscribe button so you are early and you get bigger bigger airdrop allocations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.